Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and today we are gonna talk about input. This one word, input. This word input is more relevant when we talk about computers. Whatever we input, accordingly we have the output. But I would say this word input is more relevant in our life than in computers. We have this word input as much more relevant in our life than we have it of relevance in the life of computers. Yes, our body works the same. We too work in a very similar way. Whatever we are giving it is what we get out of it. That is how our body is. That is the very basic of our body. Whatever we put in, we get out. Be it in terms of what you eat, be it in terms of what you read, be it in terms of what you see, be it in terms of what you feel. Whatever inputs you take is how you give the output. Let's say you came into a pleasant environment, some with good perfumes and smells. So your body is getting an input of a pleasant environment of some good fragrance and perfumes. How do you feel? Because the input is so good, you automatically start feeling good. When you listen to some wonderful music, how do you start feeling? What is the output? You start feeling energetic, you feel happy, you feel awesome, you start dancing, you start jumping. So the input matters. The input counts. When you are eating healthy, when you are putting in good things in your body, you are getting good things from the body. But when you are putting all trash and rubbish, you cannot expect good output from your body. When you are putting in bad thoughts, wrong thoughts, that is what would come out from your body. That is what would come out from your body. It is all about what we put in that comes out. If we decide to put in bad things, that is what is gonna come out. If I have decided to drink alcohol, I have also decided the result of drinking alcohol and what would happen the next day and what negative impacts it would have on my body. I have accepted that. The day I have taken that as an input, I have accepted, I am aware of the outputs and I have accepted the results. Only then I have chosen a bad input for myself. If I am choosing to smoke today, if I have chosen to smoke one cigarette today, I have reduced 14 or 15 minutes of my life. I have chosen that output for myself, and that is why I am taking this input. So I am okay with that output, and that is why I am taking this input. So whenever you are making a choice, whenever you are taking an input, whenever you are getting something inside your body or within yourself, you have made yourself comfortable with the output. If you are not eating healthy, you have made yourself comfortable with the fact that it's okay to not have a healthy body. When you are not working out, when you are not meditating, when you are not focusing on something, you are comfortable or you have made yourself comfortable with the fact that you will not have a healthy body and mind. So whatever choice you are making to put into your body, to put in yourself, whatever choices you are making, you are fully aware of what the results would be, because you know whatever input is going to come in is the same thing that is going to come out. It is not going to be any different. It is not going to change. The results are not going to change. I was the same sometime back, a couple of years back, when I started my career, and at times I used to lose my track, lose my vision, lose my dreams. I became like that. I started eating unhealthy. I started watching Netflix and the movies and wasting time like anything. And that is how I started getting the output. I was always low on energy. I did not eat healthy, so my body had become bad, in a poor shape, because I was not putting in the right knowledge. I was watching TV, I was consuming different kind of contents that was of no use to me. I was not getting any output on that front as well. I was failing in my exams, I was failing in my career, I was failing in my professional life. And everything changed when I became conscious. I became aware of the situation that whatever I am getting today is because of what I have put in yesterday. If I have to change what I have been getting today, I have to change what I have been putting in yesterday. And that yesterday is today. So whatever I put in today, I would be getting it tomorrow. So if I want to change my tomorrow, if I want to get a better tomorrow, I'll have to change what I am putting in today. You must have heard, if we keep on doing the same thing that we have always done, we keep getting what we have always got. So that is what it is. If we keep putting in what we have always put in, we keep getting what we have always got. So if you press a Control P on the computer, you will keep getting the output of a print, because you are giving the command of print. You cannot get a command of something else. You cannot get the result as something else. You will always be getting print as the result. If you press Control C, your computer won't paste something. It would always be copying something. If you press Control V, it would not copy anything. It would paste. So whatever inputs you would be giving, exactly is what the output you would be getting. Do not think that because you are lucky, because something good is gonna happen with you, the results would change. Maybe by chance, once in your lifetime, something good happened to you because of a fluke, because you won a lottery or something happened. You put in something and you got something different. That was because of the system error. That won't keep happening. That won't repeat so many times. With computers too, at times the output might be different from the input because of some problems in the circuit or the logic. But it would never be a continuous thing. You would dump that computer if it keeps giving wrong output every time. Same is with your body. The moment your body starts giving wrong output, how do you feel about your body? If you are taking in good food and you do not get a good output, or you get into trouble, you start feeling unhealthy, you get fever, you get cold, you get cough. So your body stops giving accurate output. Your body stops responding. How do you feel? That means you are in a mess. And you cannot be in a mess for a long time. So stop giving the wrong inputs to yourself, to your body, and stop getting the wrong outputs. Wish you all the very best. Have a good day.